Until yesterday, mutuo og Panadol, ay paracetamol, iya ang hilanat. So makainom siya ron after half an hour, mawala yung hilanat. 4 hours later, mabalik na po. Today, wala na jud patuo yung hilanat. Munang mura siya naluya na karon.
Go, she's. And.
Welcome back sa ating channel. Today is the 23rd of January and kagigising lang namin guys. It is already 8:30, nearly 9 o'clock ng umaga, and bababa kami sa 4th floor kasi nandun yung kanilang breakfast guys. Magbe-breakfast tayo. Stop picking Bob. Say good morning.
Good morning. Do you like my t-shirt?
Clean your eyes, baby.
Mom. Mom, show
Clean your eyes. You still have that thing there. Morning Star. Get a paper. Come on. Not that one. This one. Other one. This one.
I don't have it.
Yeah, that one there. Agoy, lobat na ang camera. But anyway guys, yeah, bababa tayo mag-breakfast. I'm gonna have to figure out how I can charge my camera kasi wala akong adapter. Yung charger ko kasi is for ano yun, Australian. Wala tayong adapter. Kaya I don't know. Wala na tayong vlog nito if malobat to guys. Yeah, anyway. Baka may way pa. Hanapan natin ang way kung paano i-charge. Give daddy cuddle. Oh.
Ow, ow. Mom, don't do that again. That could not stop it and cut your whole hand off.
Yeah, you're right.
Dead.
You're right, my love. Let's go, Becky. Go. Breakfast, guys. Becky's eating now. Is it yummy? Which one are you eating? Do you like the pasta? Yummy? Good boy. You eat, Bob.
What's he got here?
He's got pasta,
No.
bacon, hot chocolate.
Ooh. But no milk.
Ayan guys, dyan tayo nagwa ng breakfast. Dami tao dito pero hindi ko na i-film kasi baka hindi pwede. Are you full now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna swim in the pool later.
Yes, I am. Would love to learn this.
Learning?
Yes.
I haven't got a bather.
Well, just use one of these. They're like babies.
I didn't bring bathers.
Mom, well, just this is like babies. So
No, it's not.
act like it is. Just use this. Act like it is. Mom, do it. You said you will. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Mom,
Don't do that.
Mom, do it.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Let's go.
Baby, stop being silly. Alright. A good boy, eh? Come on, let's go, hon. You're finished. Just stop touching my bag. Come on, let's go. Stop! Kitty. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa pool ni Jake. Ang haggard ng aking pagmumukha, guys. Pero, laban lang. Ayoko sana maligo dahil, alam mo yun guys, Mr. is not really feeling well. Ang taas ang kanyang lagnat. Pinainom ko na naman siya ng paracetamol. And ayun guys, nakainom na siya. Kapag nakainom siya, medyo nagiging okay yung kanyang lagnat. Bumababa yung kanyang lagnat. Pero after few hours, bumabalik na naman. And nakakawala ng gana guys. And I'm very, worried about it. Kasi ilang araw na yung lagnat niya. Pabalik-balik na lang guys. Ayaw talaga siya tantanan. Ewan ko bakit. But anyway, tumawag na ako sa aming doktor sa Australia. And they can't do anything until they see him. Kasi hindi nila siya ma-check. Alam mo yun. And hindi din sila pwede magbigay ng prescription para kay Mr. Kasi baka wala din dito yung mga pills na ibibigay nila. Kaya hihintayin talaga lang namin guys na makauwi doon. Nakabook na kami ng appointment. Tapos if ever sabi ni Mr. na sobrang masama talaga yung pakiramdam niya, hindi mag-ease yung kanyang pakiramdam. Sabi niya, diretso lang daw siya sa emergency hospital. Tapos ipapahatid niya lang kami ni Julian sa bahay. Yes, my love. You get in first. Anyway, kinailangan ko samahan si Jake guys. Kasi kawawa naman tong ating baby. Gusto niya maligo. And ayan, sasamahan ko na lang si Mr. nandun sa Yes, my love. Si Mr. nandun sa bed. Medyo okay na naman siya guys, pero ayoko siya pababain dito para makarelax lang siya pa makatulog. Ngayon, sasamahan ko tong ating baby.
Good boy. Get straight in. Good boy. My turn. I'm scared. My turn. No, Mom. My turn.
This way, come. No splashing. No splashing. No splashing, I said. Please. No splashing. Just wait. Dito lang kami sa mababaw, guys. Kasi, baling dun sa kabila. Dito lang tayo para safe kay Jay.
I went all the way up to here.
I don't want splashing.
Go live.
Alright, swim to mommy. Swim to mommy. Follow me. Alright, you go over there. I'll push you. I'll give you a push. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go! Let's kick!
strong. Ready? Ready? Mom. Let's have
Ready?
one. Let's have one. Mom.
Yep.
Mom, what's this?
That was dangerous.
Please. Wow. Yeah.
Put your head under.
No.
Both of us will do it. 1, 2, ready, go. You're shooting. Kick.
Help me.
Just straighten your arms, sir.
I can't. It's,
Like that. It's okay like that. Just a little well, sir.
Gawas na siguro sila mga angka. Diba yun ang magawas sa mga angka?
My God, open my eyes.
Don't rub it. Until yesterday, mutuo og Panadol, ay paracetamol, iya ang hilanat. So makainom siya ron after half an hour, mawala iyang hilanat. 4 hours later, mabalik na po. Today, wala na jud patuo iyang hilanat. Munang mura siya naluya na karon. Hinay, ma'am, no?
Kailangan gamay, magaling nga needle akong gamit.
Ah, okay.
Careful lang, anak, ma'am. Kaya lang kapila, ma'am.
Oo, ma'am.
Ginabawal, ginasa.
Kay ini mang idiretso manggulang ko ni siya sa emergency sa Australia ni guli na mo. Sa kasi mangutana sila ni anak ba. Kuti mangud kay didto.
Dili mo resident diri.
Dili nagbakasyon rami
Sa asa, ma'am?
Australia.
Sa insurance nila. Just a little bit, sir. Almost done.
Ayan guys, so dito kami sa room 441 dito sa hospital na to. Unsa kay ngalan na ning hospital te? Capitol University Medical Center. And nag-decide kami ni Mr. guys na magpa-admit na lang talaga kasi he is not really well. Yun, sabi ko sa kanya kasi few days ago na magpa-admit na, or ang tagal ko na siyang sinabihan kasi magpa-admit, ayaw niya. Kaya we came down to this talaga. Anyway, ito yung room nila, guys. They call it presidential room. And, there's 2 beds. Isa sa pasyente, isa sa kasama, which will be me. And then, ang laki niya, guys, my sala set, my own kitchen. There's toilet. You need to go toilet? Okay, baby. And then, meron silang own kitchen, guys, which is amazing. Meron tayong fridge dyan. May water dispenser sila, pero walang tubig. But anyway, meron pa ditong table. And yan, buti na lang, guys. Nandito si Ate Nova. Si Ate Nova pala tong kasama ko, guys. If you remember, I'm not sure if nag-vlog ako noon. Nakasama si Ate Nova. But Ate Nova is, she's my friend. And we've met dun sa, guys, sa Australia. Wait lang. Sa Ate Nova, guys, nag-meet kami dun sa Australia kasi Ate Nova stayed with us. Okay. Ate Nova stayed with us for few months. No? For a few months doon sa bahay namin, guys. But she had to go home sa Pilipinas due to personal reasons. And ayun, we stayed in touch. Si Kuya yung nagsundo sa akin sa airport nung last ko uwi sa nung last ko uwi sa Pilipinas. Si Kuya yung nagsundo sa akin, yung asawa ni Ate Nova. And ayun, guys, nagkita kami. Alam mo yung plan namin sana tonight is mag-dinner kami somewhere nice. But I feel like, alam niyo yun, guys, parang Ate Nova is heaven sent sa amin kasi hindi ko alam yung city na to. Hindi talaga ako familiar sa city na to, guys. Tapos wala kaming sasakyan. And buti na lang nag-message na Ate Nova sa akin kahapon na magkita kami. Kasi nga, guys, ang tagal namin, alam mo bang last talaga namin nakita na Ate Nova is doon pa sa Australia. And ang tagal na nun, guys. And alam mo yun, parang unexpected pa yung pag-alis na Ate Nova. Hindi talaga kami nakapag-goodbye, Tino? Hindi kami nakapag-goodbye kasi umalis si Ate Nova sa bahay nung pumunta pa siya ng Queensland. Tapos nag-decide siya na uwi ng Pinas. Wala ako nun kasi pumunta na ako dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya wala, guys. Anyway, I'm so happy and very thankful, guys, na nandito sa Ate Nova. Tapos si Kuya, yung asawa niya, tinulungan niya talaga kami. And my work pa, guys, sa Ate Nova. I feel bad na kasi my work pa siya bukas. But she's staying with us. Until na talaga si Mr. dito sa own room niya. Nandun pa si Mr. sa ER kasi hinintay pa namin yung doktor. And sabi nila na pwede na kami pumunta dito sa room kasi para kay Jake din. Yung mama at papa ko papunta na sila dito. Hopefully within an hour. Guys, darating na sila kasi alam niyo yun, pagod na si Jake. Gusto niya mag-stay sa hotel. Kaso, guys, alam niyo ba, bayad na yung hotel namin until Thursday. And we've only stayed one night doon, which was last night. Tapos, we will be staying dito sa hospital. But it's okay, guys. Health first. Hindi kami matutuloy umuwi sa Thursday kasi nga na-admit si Mr. and I think minimum stay nila dito is 3 days. So, i-rebook ko lang siya. Yung flight namin. I'm not sure when, but we'll see. Ayan, guys, nandito pa din si Mr. Meron na siyang dextrose. Pero dito pa rin kami sa ER. Hindi pa siya makapunta sa room dahil hinintay pa namin yung doctor niya. And I just can't believe we've been here for so long. We've paid for the room already. I'm not sure why. Wala pa din. And I don't think they've given him the antibiotics yet. Poor thing. Still very hot. Hi guys, dito na kami sa room ngayon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina ba pumunta dito yung aking mama at papa. Hinatid sila dito ni Junel so yung van. So mabilis lang sila, guys. Umuwi na din sila Ate Nova sa kanilang bahay. And dito na kami ngayon sa room niya. They call it presidential room. It's massive, guys. But yeah, nag-ano na si Mr. na brush ng kanyang ngipin. Dito lang sa bed. Medyo ano na siya, guys, pinapawisan na siya. Wala akong long pants dito. Buti na lang nagdala si mama ng long pants, guys. Ito, ano siya. Hiniram ko kay mama, oh. Yan, pang pajama ba?
Go, sheesh. And
Anyway, guys, ayan, dito na kami ngayon sa room. Meron akong own bed dyan. Tapos dito si Mr. And it's comfortable, guys, kasi ang laki niya. Ang laki ng room. We've got our own TV, massive aircon. Ayan, no. Centralized aircon. Ayan, may bathroom dyan. Tapos yung kitchen dito. Nakuha ko na yung aking camera kasi kanina nung nag-vlog ako, guys, or hindi talaga yung nag-film ako. Sa phone ko lang. So, nung pumunta ako, umuwi ako sa hotel. Nandun sila mama at saka si papa. Sila yung nag-alaga kay Jake. Doon sila nagstay sa hotel muna. Today is, Wednesday. Kasi it is 2 o'clock na ng umaga. Wala pa akong tulog, wala pa akong rest. But at least si Mr. he's getting, guys, a little bit better, I reckon. Kasi pinapawisan na siya. At least tumalab na yung kanyang paracetamol or para sa kanyang fever. But yeah. Ay, kapagod ba? Laban lang tayo, guys. Laban lang talaga. Okay. Hi, guys. Matutulog na tayo. Kasi sobrang late namin. Pagod na ako. Ano na bang oras ngayon? Oh, I charge my phone pala. Nearly 3 o'clock na ng umaga. Matutulog na tayo. Meron ng konting progress si Mr. which is good. Or baka ngayon lang yan dahil sa Panadol. Or yung paracetamol na binigay nila. Either way, matutulog na tayo. Yeah, nearly 3 o'clock na, guys. 2:42. So, ewan ko if mahaba na tong vlog na to, guys. Pero, hindi na sana ako mag-vlog. Pero, para may documentation tayo baka anong nangyayari dito. Kaya, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again soon. Thank you.